Birds making a mess of your lawn? Sick and tired of clearing the bark off your grass? How can you prevent bark getting flung up by your lawnmower? Terrace Board is the solution. Available in black or brown in 6 metre or 12 metre rolls. Installation is easy. Simply dig a shallow trench around your garden edge and unroll your terrace board along the side of your trench. Install terrace board stakes approximately 600 mm apart. We recommend you put the stakes on the inside of your edging. Backfill soil and garden topping and enjoy your new terrace board edging. Terrace board edging keeps bark in its place. Made in the USA from 100% recycled plastic and available from Mitre 10 and Mitre 10 Mega stores nationwide.